You're freelancing, you're hustling, you're putting in the hours, juggling multiple projects, and trying to make a name for yourself in the vast world of freelancing. You're ready to crush it. You have the drive, the ambition, and the skills to succeed. But are you clear on your niche? Have you identified that sweet spot where your unique talents and passions meet the needs of the market? Look, being a jack of all trades might sound good, but trust me, it won't win you the long game. Spreading yourself too thin can lead to burnout and mediocre results. A niche is your specialty, your zone of genius. It's the area where you can truly shine and deliver exceptional value. It's where your skills and passions collide with what the market needs. Finding this intersection is key to building a successful freelance career. Think about it. When you need your car fixed, do you go to a general mechanic or someone specializing in your car's make? The same principle applies to freelancing. Exactly. People are willing to pay more for expertise. They want to know they're getting the best possible service for their specific needs. They want someone who understands them and their specific needs, someone who can provide tailored solutions and deliver outstanding results. Choosing the right niche is crucial for freelancers. It allows you to focus your efforts, hone your skills, and become an expert in your field. It's about standing out in a crowded marketplace. With so many freelancers out there, having a niche helps you differentiate yourself and attract the right clients. It's about attracting the right clients, the ones who value what you bring to the table. Clients who appreciate your expertise and are willing to pay a premium for it. And it's about building a sustainable business that lights you up. When you're working in your niche, you're more likely to enjoy your work, stay motivated, and deliver your best. So, take the time to identify your niche. Reflect on your skills, passions, and the needs of the market. Find that sweet spot where you can excel and make a real impact. Because when you do, you'll not only stand out in the freelance world, but you'll also build a career that's fulfilling and rewarding. A career that truly matters. So, what's your niche? And why does it matter? It matters because it's the foundation of your freelance success. It's your path to greatness. Embrace your niche and watch your freelance career soar to new heights. Listen, I'm all about putting in the work, but let's be real. It's not just about the hours you put in, it's about the strategy behind those hours. It's about making every minute count. But working smart is just as important as working hard. You can hustle all day, but if you're not strategic, you might just be spinning your wheels. Owning your niche is smart business. Here's why. When you carve out a specific niche, you're not just another face in the crowd. You're the go-to expert in that area. First, it makes you memorable. Think about it. In a world where everyone is trying to do everything, being a specialist makes you stand out. In a sea of freelancers offering similar services, you need to cut through the noise. It's not enough to be good. You need to be unforgettable. A clear niche helps you stand out and be remembered. It's like having a spotlight on you in a dark room. People notice you, they remember you, and they come back to you. It's your unique selling proposition, your unfair advantage. It's what sets you apart from the rest. It's what makes clients choose you over someone else. Second, it attracts the right clients. When you're clear on who you serve and what problems you solve, you attract clients who resonate with your message. When you know your niche, you're not just taking on any project that comes your way. You're selective. You choose projects that align with your expertise and passion. No more wasting time on projects that don't excite you. You're doing work that you love, for clients who appreciate your unique skills. Finally, it lets you command higher rates. Expertise is valuable. When you're the best at what you do, people are willing to pay a premium for your services. When you're the go-to person in your niche, you can charge a premium for your services. You're not just another freelancer, you're a specialist. People are willing to pay for quality and specialization. They know that when they hire you, they're getting the best. They're getting someone who knows their stuff inside and out. So take the time to find your niche. Build your brand around it. Market yourself as the expert in that area. Attend events, network with industry leaders, and gain recognition in your field. The more you immerse yourself in your niche, the more you'll be seen as the authority. Create content that showcases your expertise. Share your knowledge online. Engage with your niche community. The more value you provide, the more you'll be recognized as the go-to expert. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication. But when you own your niche, the rewards are worth it. You'll enjoy a better work-life balance, achieve financial freedom, and live the life you've always dreamed of. So, go ahead, own your niche, and watch your freelance career soar. All right, let's get practical. Knowing yourself is the first step in any journey towards success and fulfillment. It's about understanding what makes you tick, what drives you, and what you can offer to the world. First things first, you gotta know yourself. This means taking a deep dive into your own mind and heart. Reflect on your experiences, your dreams, and your aspirations. What are you good at? What gets you fired up? What are you passionate about? These questions are crucial because they help you identify your core strengths and interests. Make a list. Don't overthink it. Write down your skills, hobbies, areas of expertise, anything you're naturally drawn to. This list is your starting point, a snapshot of your unique abilities and interests. This is about identifying your strengths, the things that make you uniquely you. It's not just about what you can do, but what you love to do. Your passions are just as important as your skills. Maybe you're a killer writer with a knack for social media. You might find joy in crafting compelling stories and engaging with an audience online. Or perhaps you're a design wizard who loves creating beautiful websites. Your creativity and eye for detail could be your greatest assets. Whatever it is, own it. Embrace your passions. This is your foundation. Your unique combination of skills and interests is what sets you apart from everyone else. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be something you're already an expert in. It's perfectly okay to be passionate about something you're still learning. It can be something you're passionate about learning and growing in. The journey of mastering a new skill can be incredibly rewarding and can open up new opportunities. The key is to find that sweet spot where your skills and interests align. This intersection is where you'll find the most satisfaction and success. It's where your unique sauce comes into play, the special blend of talents and passions that only you can offer. Take time to reflect regularly. Your skills and passions might evolve over time, and that's okay. Stay in tune with yourself and be open to change. Seek feedback from others. Sometimes an outside perspective can help you see strengths and passions you might have overlooked. Set goals based on your skills and passions. These goals will give you direction and motivation, helping you stay focused on what truly matters to you. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step towards a more fulfilling and authentic life. In the end, knowing yourself is a continuous journey. It's about embracing who you are, what you love, and what you can bring to the world. So take that first step and start exploring your unique sauce today. Subscribe to our newsletter via the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel and follow us on our social media handles for more tips on making money online and building your digital business.